Today, I have got one of the best ab workouts you can do on a decline exercise bench. Best of all, it's only 10 minutes and it's not gonna take up too much of your time. So stay tuned because we're gonna crush this workout in today's video. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to today's workout. My name's Frank Wall. I'm a certified personal trainer and fitness nutrition coach. I'm gonna help you feel, move, and look better through mobility training and nutrition. And today, we've got the best, or one of the best, 10-minute workouts you can do on a decline exercise bench. So, if you'd like to go ahead and skip straight to the workout, please go ahead and click that link down in the description or down in the comment section below, and you can get straight to it. But for today's workout, we've got a decline exercise bench. During the pandemic, there was some gym that was either going out of business or they were moving equipment. I drove an hour away to go purchase this bad boy, and I love this thing. I love using a decline bench for a lot of ab movements. I can do sit-ups, all right? Now, if you're brand new to working out and you haven't done abs, go watch this video first, all right? It won't even mess up the stats on this video, but go watch my beginner lower ab workout, okay? That workout will actually teach you the fundamentals of actually lifting your legs and doing the leg raise exercises, because I'd rather you do that first than starting off doing crunches, which we're actually gonna do in today's video. But this decline bench is awesome. It's amazing. It keeps a lot of tension on the core. And especially if you're looking to get stronger in your sit-ups, please go check out some of my shorts series, because I do have a little explanation on how to get stronger in your sit-ups. But in today's video, it's 10 minutes long, okay? We've got 5 unique moves. Well, actually, maybe 3, all right? We're doing a sit-up, we're doing a reverse crunch, and we're doing a leg raise on each side. The sit-up, we're gonna do a twist to one side. We're gonna repeat it on each side. All right, the leg raise, or the sideline leg raise, we're gonna do that on each side, so that's 4. And then we're gonna do a reverse crunch hip lift, that's 5, all right? So it's only 10 minutes long, all right? 5 minutes is gonna be instructional, and then the last 5 minutes, we're just gonna crank up the music and we're gonna rock it out. So if you'd like, you can actually, I'm gonna put the link in the description to starting the workout and then the music only. So if you just wanna repeat through this workout with me, maybe do it 2 more times, you can go ahead and do that and just do it to the music only. But like I said, it's only 10 minutes and this is actually pretty tough. If you're brand new to doing a lot of the core training, you could probably still do this, but please, as always, and like most of my videos, feel free to take a rest break. If you need to pause the video just a little bit longer, whether you have the remote in your hand and you're streaming on your TV or on your phone, you might hold on to your phone and you're doing this, whatever, please go ahead and rest a little bit longer, because today's workout is gonna be 45 seconds of work and a 15-second rest break, and we've got 10 moves, okay? So 45 seconds of work with only a 15-second break, that can get really demanding, and I'm definitely gonna feel it today. I trained a little bit of core yesterday. Don't know why I knew I was filming today, but anywho, I'm here. I'm gonna dish out this ab workout with you, okay? So grab your water bottles, let's get hydrated, and let's go ahead and smash today's ab workout. All righty, we're just gonna go ahead and get this party started. Got our timer going, water. Man, throw this bad boy down. Hop on top of the bench, and here we go. So we're gonna do a sit-up with a twist. Sit-up with a twist, so we're coming down. Inhale on the way down, breathe in, sit up, exhale and twist. We're just gonna twist to one side, and then we're gonna repeat this on the other side. So as I'm coming up, I'm exhaling, I'm pulling that stomach inside, I'm getting a nice contraction. Inhale, breathe in, come down slowly. As you can see, I'm not rapidly going through this. On the way up, I'm gonna twist, I'm gonna contract, pull the stomach in, exhale. Inhale, breathe in on the way down. As I come up, big breath of air. Exhale and squeeze. Again, I like to focus on coming down slow because I can really improve the strength of my core. If I happen to fall down, that's fine. Come up. Exhale and twist. Inhale, breathe in on the way down. Nice control. And then slowly you can round the back a little bit at the bottom, vertebrae by vertebrae, coming down, and then we'll exhale and twist. We'll hang out here for just a second. All right, be careful lying down. Sometimes the blood collects to the head. You sit up, you may get a little lightheaded, so be careful. We're gonna hit the other side. So we're gonna sit up, inhale, and then exhale and twist. With your hands, you can keep them in front, but if you actually keep them behind you, it does actually add a little weight, and it makes it a little bit harder. We're gonna come up, we're gonna twist. As I twist, do not just yank on your neck, all right? Come down nice and slow. Inhale on the way down, breathe in. As I come up, I'm lightly tapping my hands behind my head, I'm rotating, I'm twisting, I'm exhaling. These fingertips are light here. I'm not supporting myself for dear life, holding onto my neck. I'm just lightly using my hands as a little reference point, tapping behind the ears, inhaling on the way down, hush, exhale. Get that deep contraction when you exhale. As you take all the air out of your stomach or out of your lungs, this is gonna help give you a deeper contraction. All right, a little rest break here. Next, what we're gonna do, we have the sit-ups, we did the twist to each side. Now we're gonna do a side lying leg raise, all right? With the side lying leg raise, we're gonna keep the knees just a little bent, but we're gonna keep the legs as straight as possible. If it's too hard for you, you can do a reverse crunch. So, holding on to the bench, if you can't hold on, feel free to use ab straps. But right here, inhale on the way down, exhale on the way up. And I'm just basically just lightly twisted from here to here, just lightly twisted, raising the legs up, and I'm feeling that on my other oblique just a little bit. If you're more advanced, use one hand. Promise you it'll be a little bit harder. But we're just raising those legs up, readjust, exhale at the top, inhale on the way back down. Exhale, raise. Again, you can lift the hips up a little bit if you want and get a little quick thrust. But we're gonna do that on the last exercise on that reverse crunch. So I'm just trying to raise the legs up and down, feeling the obliques, nice little lift, all right? This is actually pretty tough. I mean, it is 10 minutes of straight ab work. So these little 15-second breaks are nothing, and you're totally gonna feel this, okay? So try it on the other side. Again, I'm flat, little shift in the hips, turn the hips and the body just a little bit, and we're gonna raise, exhale, inhale, breathe in. Raise, exhale, inhale, breathe in. So if you're having a hard time with this, like I said, you can bend the knees and then just reverse crunch and then drop. Bend the knees, reverse crunch, drop, all right? But let's go ahead and try and keep them a little straighter, raising the legs up and down. Nice squeezes, just inhale on the way down, exhale on the way up. I'm holding on to the bench. You can also hold on to the side if you'd like that. But it's just kind of personal preference, whatever is easier for you to hang on, or like I said, you use those ab straps. I prefer staying up, so raise, up and down. Inhale, exhale, right at the top. I want to exhale right there, take the air out of the lungs, get that deep contraction, okay? Man, I'm already feeling my abs. Oh boy, the last 5 minutes of this is gonna be rough. But next we're gonna do a decline lying reverse crunch with a hip lift. We're gonna get as many of the hip lifts as we can, because that's almost, I feel, is one of the most important parts to the reverse crunch. So inhale, exhale. God, my abs are sore. Inhale on the way down. Exhale on the way up. Lower, all right? And just keeping those knees bent. Watch the back from arch and try and keep the back down. Exhale, lift the hips. Inhale, breathe in. If you want to challenge yourself, extend the legs. Exhale, lift up. If it's too hard, go ahead and drop those knees, bend them a little bit, and just go here. Exhale, and then inhale, breathe in, reset. Especially if your back's getting tight, just keep those knees a little bent. If you want to challenge yourself a little bit more, inhale, exhale, and then dropping it down. Crank out a few more reps. Woo, man, all right. And let's just go crank out the rest of this workout. We'll crank up the music here. So enjoy it. I'm gonna die along with you. My abs are already ridiculously sore.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh God, woo, man, hardest ab workout I've filmed ever. Not even kidding you. All right, B, don't need to make excuses, but I was at Lifetime. I was training abs for, I don't know, maybe 15 minutes yesterday. And at the end of last night, I was like, oh my God, it'd be really cool to film an ab workout. Oh my God, like I already worked abs. So anywho, this was really, really hard, even for me. I tried to actually do the negatives more, because just a few more reps, like I did the best I could at the end, but I broke, okay? So like literally at the end of the 10 minutes, I broke. I had to take a small little break. So again, and I don't have the most conditioned core. I'm really trying to get a lot of this, core work going. So please just go ahead and feel free to take these exercises slowly, okay? Go at your own pace. Take a lot of rest breaks if you have to, because even me, like I consider myself pretty fit, but I don't always do a lot of high volume workouts. The main reason why I'm filming a lot of these workouts for you in this style and manner, because so many of us say we're pressed for time. Like you've got to make time to work out, all right? And it does take a lot of time to build a good looking body, and you can't do it in 10 minutes. But if you're really fit or decently in shape, which I consider myself in like a little bit of decent shape, that you can do workouts like this, but they're so much harder. They are like really, really hard. So if you make efficient use of your time, you can get so much more out of it, okay? So really hope you enjoyed the workout today. Please go ahead and smash that like button, all right? Comment down below. Let me know what you thought of the workout. If you really did appreciate this workout a lot, go ahead and applaud it. There's a little applaud button. Feel free to donate $5, $10, $50, whatever you'd like to help support the channel and support this workout that I did for you today, because I really did hope you enjoy it. And I'm gonna be sending this to a lot of my clients. If you're a client watching this, try and get a decline bench at your house, like literally. Actually, I guess I would be a hypocrite because I don't have one. I have one in the studio, so I do it here, but I don't have one in my own house per se. But I do have like a hyperextension bench. But it definitely does help, because a lot of us, we don't have any gym equipment. And sometimes, the media is trying to freak out the world right now, saying that we might have another shutdown. I think that stuff's crazy. Don't want to get too political, but get some exercise equipment at your home, because I have a home gym. Got a squat rack, got a bunch of dumbbells, got a BOSU, got a spin bike in there, and all that stuff. Like I can literally wake up in the morning and go like right on my spin bike, even if it's raining outside or something, right? So you need some equipment at home so you don't have to make any excuses. Like there's no reason for it. Like just wake up first thing in the morning, down a bottle of water, have some coffee, go work out. You could train fasted, it's okay. You don't need to have a meal or sit down and collect your thoughts for an hour. No, just get to business. If you got a body to build, we don't have time to waste, let's get to it. So you can start using workouts like this. And like I said, for this 10-minute workout, maybe you make it 20 minutes, right? So instead of the 15-second break, do 45 seconds of work and rest a minute. You'll feel so much better doing this, okay? And then if you can go through the whole workout and you felt this is pretty easy, please comment down below, let me know, because I'd love to hear about and see what else you're doing for your core training. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it. Again, thank you so much for tuning in. Please, again, subscribe if you haven't already. Click that bell so you don't miss any of my newest releases. Also, feel free to check out my shorts section. Usually per video that I film, I put a couple of shorts of this video and I kind of break down some of the exercises. So I do have 2 shorts from this video. They're less than a minute long. You can check out that short section. And it's just a few 1-minute clips of explained, detailed information on a few of the exercises that I perform. So again, thank you for watching, and I can't wait to see you checking out some of my other workouts.
I keep on working, got purpose and worth. Music's my cure and this world is my purse. Get rid of this curse with every verse. Of course I've been hurt, but some have it much worse. Leave me alone, get out of my head. Block out the opinions until I am dead. They all go to sleep, but you listen instead. Listen some more and you'll cease to regret. I keep on working, I got it on track. You gonna see my name up on the flag. I sail the ship and I'll never come back. I keep this bitch on the line to attack. Never look back, I make a record like Crash. Top of my bracket I smash, I'm like a pack. I'm about to stack it like cash. It's gonna happen so fast.
Never change my